All right, I'm going to show you how to get infinite significant figures. You ready for this? It starts with a party. First off, I'm going to a party, and I know what you're thinking. Science teacher, going to a party? We have parties. Come on. Now, I'm going to a party, and I count up all the guests, and I count exactly 7 people. Exactly 7. There's not 8. There's not 6. I would have noticed. And these are people. There can't be 7.1. There can't be 6.9. This is what we call in science a discrete quantity. And discrete means that it comes in units, that it can't be anything but an integer value. It can't be a decimal. You can have 0 of something that's a discrete quantity, and you can have 1. But you can never have 0.5, and you can never have 0.2. It's got to be 0 or 1 or the other. So when I count 7 people, it's got to be 7.0 people. It's got to be 7.00. It's got to be 7.000. And no matter how many zeros we add, we are absolutely sure that the next numeral, the next digit, the next figure is a 0. So they're all significant figures. They're not going to be insignificant unless we're not sure what they are. Right? That's the definition of an insignificant figure, is it's a digit that you're not sure about. But we're absolutely sure that this is 7.000 on forever. So we have infinite significant figures. This is different from measuring, say, gallons of gasoline. If you go to the gas station and you pump up your gas tank and it puts in 10 gallons of gas, chances are good that it didn't stop at exactly 10 gallons, right? It probably stopped at 10.1 or 10.01 or 9.99. And even if it did stop at 10.00, can you tell me for sure, for absolute sure, that it's not 10.001 or 10.0001? You can't. The gas pump doesn't measure it that accurately, and neither do you. So nobody knows. So that first number that we don't know about, that is our first insignificant figure. Whatever that digit is after the gas pump, because usually the gas pump measures the gas in gallons, and then tenths of a gallons and hundreds of a gallons. So that thousandth of a gallon, that's our insignificant figure. All of the ones before it are significant figures, but that one is insignificant. So in order to get infinite significant figures, you need to have a discrete quantity. You need to be talking about something that's theoretical, like, for example, there are exactly 1,000 meters in a kilometer. That's how we define a kilometer. It's not 1,000.1 or 999.9. It's exactly 1,000. That's in theory. We don't measure actual kilometers that accurately. Or it's a discrete quantity like people. There's exactly 10 people here, and there's not 9, there's not 11, and that 10.0 will go on forever. All right, did that make sense? Like this video if that makes sense now, and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to hear more explanations of science things. Write a comment on this video if there's something you'd like to see me explain. And make sure to watch my other videos on significant figures. This is not the only one. There are a lot of them. All right, thank you very much.